LNZA stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person in this freaking space that has done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I have the proof of everything on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years. LNZA doesn't make it this be like a bullish market. It's actually still quite bearish. You can see when I really called this thing out here. No one else has proof like this. You can see like I literally called it out to the dot at that time. This was made when it was 27 cents. Looking to take it further down. It was made a month ago, and since it came down, started consolidating, I'm still definitely not going to change my bias. It's still bearish and I'm definitely looking to take it further down. Even looking to double down this trade, right? Or just sell more as long as I see some sort of a double break here. And if not, it's all good right now. What I'm not going to do is randomly sell. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.